You already washed. Go, come here. Come here, bestie. So my teeth is moving. It looks like my teeth.
If you're watching up to now, comment cheese grater in the comments. It's a secret word. No one else knows.
Oh. Yeah. Then magbili tayo. Magbili tayo. Ito yung bubbles. Diba oh? May bubbles. Don't jump in. Ah! Cause what it is I have a magic, guys. Actually, we're Filipinos, right? You have a magic for him, for her. Babae ako, te. Cause what it is Pili ka ng card dito. Q, ako na. Anong card yun? Q. Q. Guys, tapos, diba red yung color? Lalagay ko dito. Tapos, ito ko, Bulag ko, ano nga yan? Iyaw ko. Juan! Thank you for being my horse. Bara dun sa'yo na ito. That! Bara dun sa'yo? Diba mag-video yun? Tulong, te! Ano, te? Don't call me that. Tulong! Not tulong. Not tulong. Not today, dude. What? You just hated me. If you don't love God, God can see you in the roof. Because you don't have a roof. God can see in the roof. Wow. Ganyan din yung kasi. Kaya ako yung classmate mo. She's ugly like a rat. Uy, nakipinigad. Uy. Kasi, ano mo ko? Abot ko na nga sa'yo. Hey! Tingnan mo, oh! Abot ko na nga sa'yo. Tingnan mo, yes. I'm gonna make a bottle. This is my pet, guys. Nagdado po ka dito. Wala. Nag-video kami. Let's go interview. Hello ba? Hello natin? Ha? Hello natin. Thank you. Oh, oh my God. We're gonna interview Okay. Kangaroo. Favorite niya si Maloy, pero hindi naman siyang Maloy. Ito ng bangs. Iba yung bangs ko. Okay. Gusto ko magiging. Dito tayo. Sigaan. Wait lang.